Okay, yes. Okay, alright, my voice is actually being recorded now. So we get Champloo versus Boom at Joystick SFS. Which SFS is this? Yes. This is Joystick SFS15. Alright, so the match is going to be a best 2 out of 3. And this is the first time I think Boom has participated in a... Oh, nice up B. Okay, so first game goes to Champloo. Let's see what Boom's going to do. It's his counter pick. Champloo been winning every joystick tournament since he started coming here, so let's see if he's going to get dethroned today. I'll also be entering. I have to play against, well, I got to play against Kenneth first. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I gotta set this thing up. Huh?
Yeah, I got wait till the next round.
Yeah, he can pick any stage. Whatever stage he won't go to, I'll let him know if it's legal or not. Okay, yeah, sorry about that if I...
Yeah. Is Pokemon Stadium 2? Yeah, I'd have to be Omega then. Pokemon Stadium 2 illegal. I'd love to be Omega only. Yeah, you can go. Hey, quit out.
All Omega stages are illegal. Because some of them have really weird edge mechanics.
Right. I was just about to say they're not the same. Some are like curvy and some like
Well, I thought they were all the same. Okay then. Well, that's something new for me. Are all illegal? Okay.
I mean, I'm fine with them either way.
Yeah, I like them, so I like this scenery, but it's kind of
Let him choose out of the 5 stages I called off earlier. Okay. I'll learn something today.
Well, I've just learned that all the Omega stages are illegal. And anyway, we're moving on to game 2. Here we go. So, we have Boom going Dark Pit. I don't know why he chose this character for Zero Suit Samus, but... Ooh, that was a nice UL up tilt. I think I should start turning my tap jump off, because this game's up tilt is, like, super sensitive. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn my tap jump off. Oh, nice. Try to go for the UA into up B, but that didn't work out. So... Again? Let's see... Nice forward smash. I don't think he necessarily has a... Oh, that was nice. I don't know how the hell he got out of that up B. But that was sweet. Guess the UL? Okay. Champloo maintaining that lead. Let's see if he's gonna wrap this up. No, he doesn't. Ooh, that was a nice forward smash. Oh, Champloo is at the bottom. I need to change this. I'm not gonna use this. Oh! It was a good thing that he picked Dreamland, because he probably might have been dead. I don't think he used any DI. Okay, so Champloo may be the favorite to win this. He has the most experience. That was a nice forward tilt. Forward tilt again. Nope, nothing. Nah, he ain't having it. Wow, so he was able to get the kill right there. Looks like Dark Pit might actually be working out for him. He's starting to figure some stuff out. Nice forward tilt. Ooh, catching him with these random smashes, and it looks like that has super armor. Dead? Oh wow, this dude is kind of surprising me. He's actually starting to bring it back. Nice up throw. Doesn't get anything off of it. Gets the back air. And good games. Wow. Very nice first game by Champloo. So I gotta fight next.